So today I'm gonna show how can we fill ink in a cartilage. So let's start. Firstly, see the ink which I have bought from Amazon. I have given the link in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. And I have bought white sky ink from Amazon for refilling of ink in a Canon printer cartilage. And let's unbox it fastly. After it I will show how can we fill ink in a cartilage. So it is not very costly. It is of only 650 rupees and we can buy it from Amazon. And here you can see the paperwork is given, and here is 2 gloves are given. We can wear it on our hands and it is very big. You can wear by filling ink. And let's see what inside. And here a blue color ink is given by White Sky, a Canon, and secondly is given that magenta color which is looking pink in color. Let's see what other. And here is a black ink is given, and the other one is yellow, which is named as yellow and looking like yellow. And next see what another inside is. I think here is a syringe. Here are 4 syringes I think given by White Sky. Here is second, and it is very well packed. And let's see what inside it is. It is third our syringe, and biosafe is written on that. And there are 4 syringes, total 4 syringes. You can see all the items given by White Sky. And let's go to our printer, and we have to just firstly connect to power source, and on the switch you have to press the power button, start blinking light, and you have to open the printer downside, and it will automatically come in the center. You can see the color and black. We have to take out the cartilage outside the printer. You can just put it downside and it will be easily be out. You can see color cartilage. It's a time to wear our gloves, which is given by White Sky, and we can wear it easily and it is very comfortable. But I will not wear it because I feel very uncomfortable in filling ink, so I will not wear it. You can wear it if you want. And we have to unflip the syringe, which we have to unflip all the syringe, and you can see ml is marking of 1 to 5 ml. And secondly we can let's unflip out second one, and we can here you can see color cartilage which is taken out of our printer, and we have to fill this ink in this. And firstly we have to just unstick a sticker, and we have to do it properly because we need a sticker. It will be not torn, and do it properly. And you can see the 3 holes here. We have to increase hole, that's why we need nail, and you can see this of nail you will need it. And I have taken a nose plier to pull it out, and let's heat it up so that I can hole in that. And I am heating it, and let's check out. You have to do small holes, and I have put it red, and you can easily make hole in that. You have to make holes in all the 3 so that we can fill ink easily. And take care because it should not be very large hole, and it is very small. After making holes, we have to put it out our syringe in the 3 holes so that we can check it out syringe is going or not. If syringe is not going, you have to make it hole properly again. And my all syringes are going good. That let's fill out the yellow color, and we have to just take out only 3 ml. Only 3 ml we have to take out, and please do it slowly because syringe can not be overloaded, and do it carefully. And you have to only 3 ml. I'm repeating, only 3 ml we have to take out from the yellow color, and very slowly you have to take out it from that. And after it you have to you can see 3 ml I have taken, and after it you have to fill it in left side downward left side. We have to fill ink in it and just slowly pull out the ink in that. You have to just carefully, you have to very slowly you have to fill the color because it should not be over leaked. And after that we can similarly do out our next. We have to take a next syringe. We cannot use the same color for same syringe. That's why we have to take another syringe, and in this we have to take all. In this also we have to take 3 ml color of cyan, which is looking like a blue color. And just see, I have taken 4 ml just to see what happen if I have taken 4 ml, and I am just filling it in. You have to do it slowly, very slowly, because it should be properly inserted in the cartilage. And let's see, I have taken 4 ml this time. What happened to it? I am just doing it for telling you what happen if we take more ink, and just see the ink is leaked outside. So do it properly. I am again telling you, you have to take 3 ml. And third last one is we have to take color of magenta, which is looking like pink. And another syringe I am taking, and in this also we have to take only 3 ml. And previous one we have to fill the color in right downward side, and another one is at the top. We have to fill this ink in at the top, and I am taking out the pink color which is named as magenta color. And do it slowly because air should not be created in the syringe, so do it slowly. You can do it. And I have taken out the 3 ml, and you have to just put it on the top of the hole, and pull it out slowly because it should not be over leaked. And so you have to do it slowly, and it is filled, and I think it is properly filled. And let's cover it out with our sticker. I have already told because we need the sticker at last, and we have to just cover it with properly. After doing this all, we have to insert our cartilage back into the printer, and we know how to put it back in the printer. We have to just pull it on upward side. It should be created sound of tuck. And I also see the black color, like the same way we can fill the ink in the black color also. I have already filled, because that's why I'm not filling it in ink. You have to just make hole there, because in between of these squares we have to make hole. Some YouTubers tell that make hole here, but not, we have to make hole here. And properly you have to just similar way, just have filled color. You have to can fill and put it back, and let's close it. And after that we check out, and we can close it for 1 hour. Make sure we have to close it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I am printing, color printing. So check out what result is there, and you can see very good color is out of the printer. And I have I am photocopying color ink to see the color is good or not. And you can see I have put out this notebook, and I have photocopying that, and very similar color. And thanks for watching this.